Did you know Alexander the Great's secret weapon was so crazy that it took 2 soldiers just to carry 1 spear? These weren't normal spears, they were called sarissas, and they were absolutely massive, 20 feet long. That's longer than most rooms in your house. Here's the insane part. When Alexander's army lined up for battle, they created a wall of death. Hundreds of these giant bronze spear tips stuck out in front, making it impossible for enemies to get close. It was like a deadly porcupine formation. The Macedonian phalanx was so effective that it stayed unbeatable for centuries. While other armies used short swords and regular spears, Alexander's men could stab their enemies from 20 feet away before anyone could even reach them. This is exactly how Alexander conquered most of the known world, with armies that were actually pretty small compared to his enemies. It wasn't about having more soldiers, it was about having better weapons and tactics. One weapon design changed the course of history forever.